So you guys can see for yourself exactly how much light is hitting this screen. What you just saw was a sample of our Fusion Silver projection screens that will be coming out next year. Mind you, these screens are using the smart technology, gain time 3. Just want to add, when you visit the website, just want to add really quick, our 120 inches, or 120 inch fixed frame and 120 inch motorized projection screen are completely sold out. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Thank you for taking the time to check out